how to use the emotional triggers area in the Wity planner. Here you can see in an image of how what are the 4 stages of personal development. Okay, first thing that happens is that you perceive something is happening in your life. Then you identify what's going on. The first phase, you're able to identify when it will happen again, but you cannot change it. But afterwards, you can change this and you can act in a different way. So respecting those 4 stages is super important. So I've created some questions. Whenever a situation happens in your life, you will make those 4 questions for yourself, okay? The emotional triggers, they are very helpful to help you reflect on disharmonious emotion or pain experience that you have during the week. Patterns probably will emerge, revealing genuine reactions to specific events. For example, if in the traffic, every time someone closes you, you start screaming, okay? So you're gonna write down this situation, describe the situation. Oh, every time I'm driving and someone close my path, I get very angry. So you just describe the situation that happened. Then you're going to identify the emotion that you felt when the situation happened. After you identify the emotion, you're going to write down how did you react it when this situation happened. And the 4th question is, how would you like to react whenever this happens again? By identifying this, you're going to see a lot of patterns, repetitive patterns you have in your life. And like I said, the 4 stages. At the beginning, you won't be able to act the way you want, but probably just by having the conscious that something is triggering you, you'll be able not to react. And after a while, you will be able to react in the proper way. But it's important for you to identify those emotional triggers. I call this daily review. I learned this in a group coaching that I was doing for several years in Brazil. And it's been very helpful for all my coaching clients. So I really motivate you to track all the emotional triggers you have and try to answer those 4 questions anytime something like that emerge.